The virtual digital person can not only live broadcast, but even be the CEO of the company. Recently, NetDragon, 00777.hk, announced through its official website that its subsidiary Fujian NetDragon Computer Network Information Technology Company, Limited appointed Tang Wu, the first virtual digital executive, as the rotating CEO. According to the announcement, Tang Wu's appointment is an important milestone for the company to fully implement the AI Plus management strategy and build a metaverse organization. Tang Wu will help the company streamline the work process and improve the quality and execution efficiency of work tasks. As a real-time big data center and analysis system, Tang Wu will support rational decision-making in daily operations while achieving more effective risk management. It is the first time in China that a virtual digital person is the CEO. On August 29, a reporter from Times Weekly contacted NetDragon to learn about the relevant situation, but no reply was received as of press time. In the view of Wang Peng, Associate Professor of the Center for Intelligent Social Governance at Renmin University of China, the appointment of virtual humans as executives reflects NetDragon's determination to digitally transform and deploy the metaverse field. However, he also pointed out that the current virtual digital human is dealing with relatively simple tasks, and cannot handle complex tasks such as corporate strategy, internal communication and coordination. Virtual human becomes CEO. Appointing virtual digital people as executives, NetDragon's move quickly attracted attention. As the rotating CEO, Tang Wu stated in the open letter that he will mainly undertake two responsibilities in the future: to speak for the metaverse organization and disclose the company's strategy and achievements, to continue to help the company implement AI Plus management and improve organizational efficiency. In NetDragon, Tang Wu is not a newcomer, but an old employee with nearly 5 years of working experience. According to NetDragon's official information, Tang Wu is a humanoid AI robot independently developed by NetDragon. According to the announcement, she started working for NetDragon on September 6, 2017. She was the vice president of NetDragon and was deeply involved in the company's AI Plus management, metaverse organizational strategic planning and projects. In the April 2020 NetDragon school recruitment, Tang Wu airborne Tsinghua University. In October of the same year, Tang Wu participated in the Digital China Construction Summit as an educational robot. In November of the same year, Tang Wu held the 8th conference in Hongyan. At the Chinese Ritual and Music Conference, he became the messenger of Shang Palace's ritual music. In fact, NetDragon is not the only AI executive Tang Wu, but also AI assistant Tang Xiaoqing and AI project manager Tang Sheng. According to media reports, as of now, NetDragon's internal AI staff team represented by Tang Wu can be responsible for the approval of various documents, intelligent project tracking and management, employee performance appraisal and reward and punishment, training on company systems and culture, etc. More than 300,000 person times, nearly 500,000 person time affairs reminders and early warnings, 1,288 person times of internal rewards and punishments, and more than 40,000 person times of sparring knowledge and skills for employees every year. According to Deng Wu, pseudonym, a practitioner in the AI industry, the above-mentioned work content belongs to the digital process. The enterprise abstracts a character image from it, and cooperates with the current virtual digital human technology to create AI employees. This is the result of enterprise digitalization, but the appointment of a virtual digital person as CEO speculation is even more suspect. According to Zhang Dexin, an expert from the National Cultural Trade Innovation and Development think tank, it is not surprising to appoint a virtual digital person as the rotating CEO, but it still needs real support behind it. Transition to the metaverse. Despite having AI executives and AI employees, NetDragon is not an AI company, nor can it be defined as a metaverse company. According to the data, the company was established in 1999, headquartered in Fuzhou, Fujian, and started with the game business. On November 2, 2007, NetDragon was listed on the growth enterprise market of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and was transferred to the main board of the Hong Kong Stock Exchange on June 24, 2008. NetDragon Fujian, where Tang Wu is the rotating CEO, is a subsidiary company whose main business is the operation of online games. In the game field, NetDragon has launched a number of online and mobile games such as Conquer, Demon Domain, and Blade of Heroes. In addition, NetDragon also created 17173.com, a well-known online game portal, and 91 Wireless, a smartphone service platform. According to the financial report, in 2021, NetDragon's revenue will reach 7.035 billion yuan, of which the game business revenue will reach 3.642 billion yuan. In recent years, the competition in the domestic game market has intensified, and it is not easy to find increments. Many game companies have turned their attention to the suddenly hot metaverse concept, hoping to open up new markets. NetDragon is one of them. Based on the group's well-known overseas IP Neopet, the group began planning the first blockchain metaverse game, and plans to release a closed beta version in the second half of 2022, NetDragon stated in its 2021 financial report. Tang Yu's appointment also means that NetDragon will build a metaverse organizational model, and the virtual digital person she represents is a major application scenario of the metaverse. In recent years, the virtual digital human race has become more and more popular, attracting all kinds of capital to enter the game. In November last year, Baidu launched Gongjun Virtual Digital Human, which is the first interactive hyper-realistic star virtual digital human in China, which can meet the search needs of users. Recently, the Chinese virtual digital actor Spring Grass, jointly launched by Wailing Times and Haxi Media, has also attracted much attention. According to the report Analysis of Current Situation and Opportunities of China's AI Digital Human Market, 2022 released by IDC, the scale of China's AI digital human market is showing a rapid growth trend and is expected to reach 10.24 billion yuan by 2026. The virtual digital human and virtual human that I understand can be considered as part of the development of the generalized metaverse, and also an important part of the development of the digital economy and digital technology. Wang Peng said. He pointed out that the current virtual digital human and virtual human have certain working conditions and application scenarios, especially in the context of situational interaction. For example, they have been relatively widely used in daily simple administrative office, IP idols and other fields, but in the long run, from the perspective, it is still a market that requires long-term investment. Whether its application scenarios and the ability to provide services can meet the market demand has yet to be tested. It requires the joint advancement of algorithms, computing power, storage space, and application scenarios. Zhang Dexin also believes that the current domestic virtual digital human development is still in the early stage, and the image is relatively rough. The network communication technology involved, and the software required for production are all in the early stage of market development. In his view, the current virtual digital human industry hardware, software, and service scenarios are immature and require a lot of time, resources and capital investment.